What do you mean by rational number? Rational number, a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. तो ये देखिए rational number, let us see a number which can be expressed in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. Q should not be equal to 0 means denominator should not be equal to 0. Suppose कि 0, 1, 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, all are rational numbers. All are rational numbers. अब देखिए रेशनल नंबर का सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा? ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा फिर से. तो 0, 1, 2 ऑल आर रेशनल नंबर. 0 इज ऑल्सो ए रेशनल नंबर. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज इट कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 0 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच वी कैन राइट 0 by 1. इसके डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? व्हाट इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर? दैट इज 1 इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ठीक है, तो 0 by 1 हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इसको. सो 0 इज ऑल्सो ए रेशनल नंबर. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर 0 इज ऑल्सो ए रेशनल नंबर. So q should not be equal to 0, that is denominator. जैसे 1 by 0 लिखते हैं, ये रेशनल नंबर नहीं है. It is not a rational number. q should not be, denominator should not be equal to 0. इसका मतलब हो गया not defined. Infinity not defined. This cannot be defined. Clear? Okay. So any number which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is a rational number. Okay. Properties of rational number. First one is closure property. In closure property, 4 things are here. Addition, second one is subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. One by one we will see it. So in addition, you see, when we add two rational numbers, the resultant will also be a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. How much you will get? LCM will be 4. Again 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4. What is 5 upon 4? 5 upon 4 is also a rational number. So it is closed under addition. That is, rational number is closed under addition. Why it is closed under addition? Because when we add two rational numbers, the resultant is also a rational number. Clear? Now second is subtraction. In subtraction also same number I am taking here also. 1 by 2 minus suppose 3 by upon 4. How much you will get here? 4, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 upon 4. It is also a rational number, negative rational number. It is also a rational number. Clear? So it is also closed under subtraction. Rational number, addition of rational number is closed. Okay, that is, when we subtract two rational numbers, the resultant is also a rational number. Now in case of multiplication, same number we are taking again. 1 by 2 and into 3 upon 4. How much you will get? 3 upon 8. Again, when we multiply two rational numbers, the resultant is again a rational number. So it is closed under multiplication also. But in case of division, suppose I am writing here 1 by 2 divided by 0. Because 0 is a rational number, I have taken 0. So how much it will be? 1 by 2 into, in the denominator 1 is here, so 1 upon 0. Clear? कितना हो जाएगा? 1 upon 2 into 0, 0. Now you see, in denominator 0 is coming over here. In denominator 0 is coming over here, so it is not a rational number. So in case of division, rational number is not closed under division. Clear? Okay. Property, that is commutative property. Now for in case of addition, commutative property means a plus b should be equal to b plus a. Any example you can take. Suppose 3 I am taking. 3 is also a rational number, 2 is also a rational number, and is equal to 2 plus 3. That is, suppose a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. and so b is equal to 2 and 3. In both cases we are getting here 5. Okay, that is, it is true for in case of addition, that is a plus b is equal to b plus a. So addition is commutative for rational numbers. Addition is commutative for rational number. Now you come to subtraction case. Suppose a plus a minus b is equal to b minus a. It is true or not? Let us verify. Suppose a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. 5 minus 2. Again a is equal to what? B is equal to 2 minus a is equal to 5. Okay, so this is equal to 3 and this is equal to minus 3. Is this equal? Not equal. 3 is not equal to minus 3. So subtraction is not commutative for rational number. So in case of subtraction, it is not commutative. Clear? Now in case of multiplication, a into b is equal to b into a. Any rational number you can take. 2 into 3, suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, is equal to 3 into 2. You are getting, in both cases you are getting 6. So it is, multiplication is commutative over rational number. Clear? Now in case of division, let us see any a divided by b should not be equal to b divided by a. Let us take any example. Suppose I am taking 3 divided by 6. And then b, here also 6 divided by a. Here you will get 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. And here you will be getting, in place of a, you should write 3 here. So 6 divided by 3, how much we are getting? 2. So you see, in left hand side we are getting 1 by 2, in right hand side we are getting 2. So both are not equal. That is, for division, commutative property does not hold for rational numbers. Clear? Okay. Property is associative property. Check it for the rational number in case of addition, that is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Let us see, suppose a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. Let us check it. Left hand side, 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10. In RHS, how much it will be? 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10. In both cases we are getting same result, that is, addition is associative for rational number. Addition is associative for rational number. Both sides we are getting same result, that is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now check it for the subtraction, whether it is true or not. Same example we are taking here also. Suppose a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c. Let us check it. LHS, how much it will be? A is 5, b 3 minus c 2. How much it will be then? This will be 5 minus 3 minus 2 1, that is 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, let us see here. A is equal to 5 minus b, that is 3 minus 2. This will be 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. That means subtraction, in case of subtraction, associative property does not hold for rational numbers. It is not associative. Subtraction is not associative for rational number. That is, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. You see, in left hand side 4 and right hand side 0. Now check it for multiplication. That is, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This will be equal to a is 5 into b is 3 into 2, that is 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. Now check it for RHS. RHS, a is equal to 5 into 3 into 2, that is equal to 15 into 2, that is equal to 30. In both sides, that is both sides, the same result appears. That is, multiplication is associative for rational number. Multiplication is associative for rational number. Now check it for division. That is, a divided by b divided by c is equal to a divided by b divided by c. Same numerical value we can take. Suppose 5 divided by b divided by c, that is 3 divided by 2, is equal to a divided by b, that is 5 divided by 3 divided by 2. This will be equal to how much? 5 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 3 by 2. So this will be equal to how much? 5 into 2 by 3. This will be equal to 10 by 3, that is equal to 3, 1 by 3. Check it here also. 5 divided by 3, that is 5 by 3 in divided by 2. This will be equal to 5 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is 5 by 6. Now you see, this is 10 by 3 and this is 5 by 6. Both are equal or not? Both are not equal. That is, division does not hold good for associative property of rational number. Division is not associative for rational number. That is, A divided by B divided by C, A divided by B divided by C is not equal. Is it clear? Okay. 0. Addition of 0 to whole numbers. Suppose 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0. In both cases we are getting 0. That is, when we add whole number to 0, we will get the same whole number. Okay. Suppose I am adding integer minus 5 plus 0 is equal to 0 minus 5. In both cases we are getting minus 5 here. That is, when we add any integer to 0, we are getting the same integer. Again, for rational number, suppose minus 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0 into minus 1 by 2. In both cases we are getting how much? Minus 1 by 2. So 0 is called as the additive identity. Additive identity. 0 is called as additive identity. Clear? Okay. 1. That is, when we multiply any whole number to 1, we will get the same whole number. When we multiply any rational number to 1, we will get the same rational number. When we multiply any integer, we will get the same integer. So 1 is called as the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. 0 is additive identity and 1 is multiplicative identity. Next thing is additive inverse. Additive inverse. Suppose a number 3 is there and minus 3 is there. When we add these two numbers, we will get 0. That is, we can say 3 is the negative of minus 3 or minus 3 is the negative of 3 or vice versa. Okay? That is, a number and its negative, when it is added, the resultant is 0, then we can say that the additive inverse of 3 is minus 3 or additive inverse of minus 3 is 3. Suppose 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The additive inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. And suppose I am writing here minus 5 by minus 6. What is the additive identity of this term? This is nothing but this is 5 by 6. So this is the actual term. This is the actual rational number. So the additive inverse of this one is how much? That is minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. When both the terms are negative, numerator and denominator, that means it is a positive term. So the additive inverse of 5 by 6 is minus 5 by 6. Clear? And if minus 5 by 6, additive inverse of minus 5 by 6 is plus 5 by 6. Plus 5 by 6. Next thing is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is also known as reciprocal. Is known as reciprocal. That is, suppose 3 upon 4. Its reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse is 4 by 3. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 4 by 3. Don't change the sign in case of multiplicative inverse. Only the terms will be alternated. That is, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator in case of multiplicative inverse. That's all. Okay.